guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are playing Subway Surfers new season. So I can't wait to play it. Okay, let's get started now. We have Subway Surfer logo. Look at a beautiful girl over there. I just make a video of it and then I upload it. It can't uploading. It's something wrong. The reason that it can't uploading. So now I will make a second video of it. I wish it gonna be uploaded. So let's wait. Well, guys, did you see the Emma and Andra adventure episode 1? Well, let's play this now. We have to make a big dynamic, high score. So let's get started. Let's see whose high score is it. I connected my network. So let's see. Let me just take the volume down and let's see. Hey, I already have my network. Look at, there's my network. So the champion is Noha. Okay. So let's see. Let's go. And let's have a champion. Let's have champion. Let's go. Well, let's get good. Okay, let's go. Let me just do the little volume. Okay, I can't wait to beat these. Ow! This because there's a network, so this is like a really slow little bit. So I don't know why. Let me take the voice. I don't know why it's like slow, so I can't. My mind is going round. It's like slowing. I don't know what is it happening. I don't know. Let's see the ad and get the keys. Nah, I don't like waiting. Let me change the character and see if I'll get. I want to get Bonai. I don't know her name is like Bonai. So I have to not have keys. So there's gonna be 4 days and 3 hours. This season is gonna be gone forever. I love this season. So let's wish we gonna play this. I really love this season. Okay, who is this? Dylan? This is I don't know. This is a lifeguard outfit. Okay, let's see the lifeguard outfit. So hurry up, Dylan. What? I connect all my net. Say there's no connection. This is really bad. If you just connect to the network and their connection is really slow, the service of our game can't get that. It's so bad. So let's see. Look, it's like connection field. Well, let's play it. Let's watch an ad. So guys, this is gonna be really hard, I think, because because I opened my network connection, so that's why the game is really like slowing. I don't know what is happening with the game. So I gonna make another video of my high score. So be patient for that. I gonna make it right now because I gonna take the connection out. I mean, the connection out and then play it because I don't make a video of it now because there's two reasons. One reason is that if I wanna take the game out and just do a little bit thing to uploading my video, and the second thing I'll like put like not making the video because I don't want to make this video really. So that's why these are the two reasons what I'm not making it. So I wish I gonna do this. So this is the last time I get like I mean for this video. So let's see if I gonna do it. this is what happening with the game. So I don't know. So get ready for the next video of Subway Surfers. So be patient, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.